discover the magic of making your own morning mood booster. This diffuser blend recipe combines zesty grapefruit, one of my favorites, spicy cardamom, and grounding cedarwood to turn your space into a feel-good oasis. So let's make it together. Hey there, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and today we're making a super uplifting diffuser blend to help you start your day on the right note. The Morning Burst Diffuser Blend. This blend is bright, refreshing, and invigorating. The perfect way to wake up your senses naturally. At Simply Earth, we make it easy to switch to natural, toxin-free products with our Simply Earth recipe box. Each month, you'll get everything you need to create your own DIY essentials. Plus, new subscribers, well, they get this free big bonus box. It's full of extra supplies. Want to grab all the ingredients for this recipe? Head to simplyearth.com. Many store-bought air fresheners are filled with synthetic fragrances and harsh chemicals that can linger in your space and affect your health. Ugh. But with this DIY diffuser blend, you get pure essential oils, no toxins, just fresh, natural goodness. So grab your box, clear your mind, because making natural recipes is not just fun, it is self-care. So let's create this bright, uplifting blend together so we can bring a little extra joy to our mornings. So here's what you need from your recipe box. 2 drops grapefruit essential oil, bright, zesty, and refreshing. 2 drops cardamom essential oil, adds warmth and a subtle, spicy kick. 1 drop Himalayan cedarwood essential oil, grounding and calming for a balanced start. First, add essential oils to your diffuser according to its instructions. Second, diffuse and enjoy. Let the citrusy, spicy, woodsy aroma fill your space and jumpstart your day. Want to make a stock bottle? Grab a 5 ml amber glass bottle from your big bonus box and add 40 drops grapefruit, 40 drops cardamom, and 20 drops Himalayan cedarwood essential oil. Swirl to mix. Don't forget to label your bottle. And now you have a ready-to-go master blend for easy diffusing anytime. Wow, this blend smells amazing, just like sunrise in scent form. It's fresh, warm, and exactly what I need to start my day right. See how easy that was? Nothing artificial, just pure plant power to elevate your mornings naturally. And if I can make this Morning Burst Diffuser Blend, I know you can too.
So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with hashtag #IMadeThis, tagging From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured.
And if you love simple, natural DIYs, subscribe to this Simply Earth recipe box for more recipes just like this. Want more easy, toxin-free DIYs? Stick around. Check out the next videos. Thank you for watching.